Okie dokie, guys. It is 9:57 and we are on Lay Road to the airport to pick up Kendra. And there's good old Ange in her pajamas.
I don't have my pajamas.
Just kidding, she didn't wear her pajamas. She was a responsible adult and wore regular clothes. So, it's very dark. We've got the Doges with us because we did not want them to... Where's Trixie at? Oh, there she is. Because we did not want them to fall asleep and then be wide awake when we got home. So, no, I do not need anything to eat, but Kendra... No, I have my coffee, but Kendra might want something because she's been at the airport since like 3:30, and I feel so bad for her, but her dad had a meeting, I guess. So she's been at the airport. She had a layover in Michigan, and then we're gonna get her in good old Ohio, and she'll be here for the weekend with us, and then get to wake up bright and early tomorrow and go get Maddie, and it'll be a good time. So we'll update you guys in a little bit when we get closer to there, or maybe after we get her. We'll see. Okay, so it is 11:01 and we are at the airport. According to the Cleveland website, Kendra's flight landed a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna go in by myself and attempt to find her. So we'll see if I get lost in the airport or not. So this'll be fun. Hopefully I don't get lost or stolen or anything, but if I do, it's fine. Peace to y'all. It's been nice knowing you. And yeah, so we'll see you in the airport. Okay guys, I'm at the airport and it is very kind of busy, kind of not, but people just stress me out. So I'm feeling a little stressed right now. Especially I'm in here alone without Angie and my dogs. They're in the car. So I'm just waiting on Kendra. Slightly nervous because I've never met her before, and also people are kind of looking at me weird because I'm just like talking to my phone over here, but I'm super excited to meet her. Waiting, there's the bags. We'll see if we can find her soon, hopefully. Her flight was supposed to land a few minutes ago, like I told you guys, so I don't know how long it's going to take her to get like off the plane and down here. Hopefully not long because I feel super awkward and I have to pee really bad because I drank like 3 cups of coffee on the way here because it's like 11:30 and I was tired, but now I gotta pee, and that's how my life is going right now. Pretty great, pretty great. Okay guys, update. It's been like 10 or 15 minutes and I'm getting a little worried because let's just flip you around here. Everyone is now gone. The baggage carousel has stopped. So, where's Kendra? I don't know. But it's probably just my anxiety getting to me. Probably also all the caffeine that I've consumed today because it's been way more than the healthy amount. There's like no one here anymore. Hopefully though, her flight, she just hasn't gotten off yet. We're gonna hope that. Maybe I went to the wrong airport. Maybe Kendra's not a real person and she's not coming. Maybe I've been catfished. No one knows. What am I doing here? Am I gonna get stolen? If so, rest in peace to me. Gosh, guys, I'm literally like, I'm so awkward. I'm just like standing here by an unmoving baggage carousel. And people are looking at me because I'm talking to my phone. I texted Kendra, but she hasn't answered me yet, so maybe she can't have her phone on yet. We're gonna, fingers crossed, that's what it is, because getting worried. Okay, so another update. Kendra just texted me and she said she's here, she's safe and sound, and she's coming down to get her bag soon, so should be very soon and I'll get to meet her. So very pumped, very nervous. Like, what do you do for someone you've never met? Do you like, but you're still friends because you've talked to them? Do you like hug them, or just like, hi, nice to meet you? We could give them a nice handshake. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm too awkward for this. I shouldn't meet new people ever in my whole entire life. So next time you see me, next time you check in, I'll be with Kendra. Excited. People in this airport think I'm crazy. I can already tell you that. They literally look at me like I'm a mental person, but worth it. Vlogs are worth it. Definitely. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay guys, so I did a terrible job of updating this vlog because it is now like 3 days later. It's Sunday and I started this on Friday when I was going to go get Kendra, but she made it.
I'm real.
Here she is, she's real, she didn't catfish me. And I went to pick up Maddie and didn't even tell you guys. She's here too. So this is Maddie, this is Kendra, and we are now not even at my house in Ohio. We are in a different room. This is my grandparents' house here in Bowling Green. So we're going to campus today and tomorrow. So I'll definitely show you guys around with us because we are getting litty as a kitty today and tomorrow and last night and always. I made a Finsta, guys. I made a Finsta and I'm gonna tag it so you guys can go follow me and love my life with me. It's called Natty Light and I think it's funny. They gave me the name. So we're gonna update you when we're on the BG campus so you guys can see how great it is.
Our asses off.
Okay, so guys, we're on campus. Kendra's dying of like frostbite. We have smoothies and it's 2 degrees and we are lost and beside a cemetery that is on campus. SOS, send help. We're never getting out of here. Why did we think this was a good idea to come on the unofficial day of tours? Like, we should have just come tomorrow. Kendra's never even been here before. I should know what I'm doing because I've been here like 10,000 times, but I still don't because I'm an idiot. And SOS, that's all. That is all. Okay guys, last day. We're actually vlogging on an actual camera, so maybe it'll be good quality.
I don't want to leave.
Very depression.
I know, for real. I'm gonna be so
Can I zoom
sad
out so we can like have all of this? There we go. So, how did you feel about your first trip to Ohio? Kendra, you first.
Well, I've been to Ohio before, but
Okay, first trip to BG. There we go.
I really can't wait for next year. It already feels like home.
Aw. What about you, Maddie?
Oh,
Tell us.
Super pumped for next year.
Yes.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yes, so excited. So we're gonna go to the campus again today, this time legally and not illegally walking around. Hopefully we won't get lost by any cemeteries or drive over any curbs or the wrong way down any one-way streets. If we do, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. And so yeah, probably talk to you guys later. Hasta la pasta. Well, we survived our first official visit and it was pouring down rain. We're probably a little bit damp and we probably like sat on random people in the bus because it was so full.
Oh, I live.
But
I live.
look at how cute Kendra's hat is. It's very cute.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Yeah, I am. That's why I'm talking to my camera.
I took a selfie.
No, and then Maddie's got her cute new sweatshirt. We definitely bought like $500 worth of apparel today, but it's so we can be repping all day long. All year long.
People are gonna be like, we get it, you're going to BGSU, and I'm like,
no, you don't get it. You don't get it yet. And so now we're taking him to the airport, and we're really depressed about it, but.
All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana.